beautiful flowers. The cherry tree. So yan, magandang tanghali sa atin lahat. Nandito ulit tayo sa ating road trip. Dahil bago ang lugar na ating pupuntahan. Eto, naka-video na naman tayo mga kaibigan. Daming sasakyan na pupunta sa dagat. So pupunta tayo ng tabing dagat mga kaibigan. Ganito karami ang pupunta ng dagat. Dahil wow, it's sunny day. Alam nyo pag
everybody wants to go to the beach.
Yeah, everybody want to go to the beach, sabi ni Kuya. So yan. At saka weekend. So ganito ang libangan nila.
That was the hospital. Oden was in there on the left. Zeno.
Yeah. Haste Kinoke. So we are going Kinoke, guys. So tingnan natin. First time, sabi ko nga first time natin. So ito na naman ang inyong ate Lola na hangang-hanga sa mga view. Yan, tingnan natin yung mga malalaking building doon sa malayo pero magandang tingnan. Tsaka dito, ganito ang mga bahay dyan.
Imo inano, imo nano, imo nano.
Yeah. Imunano, what's Imunano? Land Rover. So dito tayo.
Met je ninja die ook beter een beetje meer aanschuiven, hè?
Yeah. Nauuna ang mga nasa paikot.
Ole mo.
So, you can see. Sa daanan natin papunta dito ay marami na tayong nakitang nakabike. Mamasyal sila. Kahit si Lolo at saka si Lolo.
Si Lolo?
Yeah, magagaling magbike. Oh, it's a big building, the Zeno.
Yeah, that. I don't know where you have to get through because it's shut here. I think you have to go.
On the other side. Yeah, okay. Oh, it's what is this?
What then?
Porsche?
Or the police, yeah.
Porsche.
Where?
The Porsche, this one.
As Porsche, what is this police, yeah?
Porsche?
Porsche!
Yeah.
Like you say police, yeah.
Porsche. Kinoke. Yan yung dalawang ate nakabike. So, wow, si sir.
The people who live here.
Yan, dami nakabike guys. Oh, pupunta ng tabing dagat. Si uncle at saka si auntie.
Opgelaten waterverkeer.
Yeah. Kinoke.
I think there will be so many people there.
Many people on the road biking.
And then we have to find a place to leave the car. That
Yeah.
will be difficult.
Wow, magaganda ang
But
mga
we are
bahay
not there
dito.
yet.
Alam nyo ba guys, ang mga tao dito kapag weekends na may araw, yan, mamasyal, yan, mga nagbabike. Yan si Lola, oh. Easy.
Verdomme. Domme hoelieden, mensen kan doorlieden.
Wait.
Verdomme.
Wait.
Hoe is het goed?
Easy. That,
Kan doorlieden.
that building is nice over there. Yan, mga naglalakad.
Domme.
Ayan, yung, yung kahoy na yan, palabas ang mga
Okay, zero.
Dahon. Mini Cooper. I think it's a woman who drive. She can do by her own way. I like that building yan. Hotel yan, guys. Yan. Sentrum. Wow. Yeah.
Pitay.
Oh, there's again a flower tree. Ayun oh, inaabangan ko. Dito lang ako talaga namamangha sa mga kahoy. Yan oh, ganda ng design niya. Tapos, ito, yan guys. Oh, ang ganda, beautiful.
I'm not sure we can lose the car here.
Yan, ang daming pupunta ng dagat. Tinan niyo. I hope we can park. Oh, puno-puno. Oh, so that's the tramway already.
That's the train.
The train. Yeah. So nandito na
I'm
tayo.
looking here.
Yeah.
And,
Be careful, we don't get scam again. Meron kaming pinuntahan guys na scam kami. Mahal talaga na penalty kami pagkaakala namin eh. Kasi doon sa parking, punong-puno, ikot kami ng ikot mga kaibigan. Nakakita kami ng space. Meron din naman dalawang nakapark. Gumaya kami, ayun. Pag uwi namin, na-park kami.
Ritur bistro.
Ayan, silipin natin. Patok na patok ang mga ganitong restaurant kapag may araw. Nagkakape, nag-iinom ng drinks, mga tao. Yan. Yo, ang ganda ng...
Look at this man with this big truck.
Where's the big truck? Yan.
Wow. I don't know. He cannot come here. What he do here?
I-deliver. I-deliver food.
Kijk, en hij moet er hier af.
Ito, church nila. So, nandito tayo sa sentrum. Makikita nyo pag...
I go look there somewhere. Maybe.
Yeah, it's okay. No problem. I just video. Wow, guys. Dito ang maganda sa tabing dagat. Parang syudad. Mas
Now we
pinapaganda
have to
nila
look
ang
for a
tabing
place.
dagat.
Maybe we have to go left, not to the right.
Yan, ang gaganda ng mga bahay.
Here you have to go straight.
Yeah, take your time to look.
We rijden hè, vindt. Hoi, hij naartoe rijden. Ja.
Si
We gaan blijven wachten, vindt. Man, toch.
Si
Oh,
Uncle.
jongen, toch.
Yungan the lolo.
Lolo.
Lolo is
I think
Opa.
we will not find place here. We have to go to the left to look. But we try a little.
sa dami ng turista. Mahirap mag-park. Iyan, nakapark na sila.
I don't know how long you can put your car here. Down on a bed of roses.
So meron tayong kakilala na nakatira dito. Sabi ni Kuya, oh, mayaman yan.
To the left. I can try it.
Yeah, every time.
I cannot go to the
So once
right.
again,
Yeah.
dito ang Kenoke,
We
guys.
go here to the left.
So naghahanap tayo ng parkingan na sana ay makahanap tayo.
You cannot come here that you don't have to walk. It's not possible.
It's okay, it's nice to walk,
Yeah,
you
of
know.
course.
Mhm.
Of course, it's no problem. I just say.
Yeah, okay. Ooh. Mamumulaklak yung... Yeah, ito.
Ja, we hito hen, hè? Want daar tayo. Daar.
Yeah, looking for a parking.
Yeah.
Pero may nakita ako doon, no? Magandang flower. Yan. We are looking. So, doon tayo pupunta, guys. Doon, maglalakad tayo dyan ang tabing dagat. Medyo malayo pa, pero kayang lakarin.
Dat is echt niet normaal. Hè.
Ganito kadami ang nasa dagat, guys. Ito, sinasadya mga turista ito.
Dat is toch
Kagaya natin.
onvoorstelbaar, hè.
Easy. Easy, easy, easy. Wow, yan mga yan, paupahan.
De water.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ang ganda yan, mga hotels yan. Pang turista.
Ja, dat is...
Wow. Wow. Look, guys, ang gaganda ng bahay. Napakalinis. Easy. Oh, ito mga nirerentahan. Kung gusto
Ja.
mo ng
Het zou
ano.
niet schoon, eigenlijk.
Oh. Yeah, don't worry.
Every meter there's a car.
Every it's full, walang
It's
maparkingan.
unbelievable.
Yeah, we can find. What can we do but to find?
Ja.
Ang gaganda ng mga bahay. Residential
Parking?
paupahan.
To do there something. En nu, hè?
Yeah, try.
I can go in this street, yeah?
Yeah, there is no sign that is prohibited.
No. Fences. Fences. It's all about people that they can leave their garage, you know?
Mm-hmm. Mahirap.
Here we will find.
Over here.
Maar niet toch hen, hè? Want als je die niet verstopt, dat je niet hebt, hè?
Yeah. Wow, that's
Zijn
really
afvoer, hè?
Mini Cooper.
Dat zijn hier afvoeren, hè? What you put his car here? You cannot do
Be
this.
careful.
Yes.
Be careful.
You can park
Oh.
here.
Be careful.
Yeah, people park their car there. I can turn first I can look.
This way, no?
Here.
Yeah, okay. Just
I don't
see.